Let's take a look at how the process of making a part works. The typical procedure when creating a part is to create geometry in small chunks, called features, combining them to form a 3D model. There are many types of features available, but two of the most common types are extrudes and revolves. To create an extrude feature, it's a two-step process. First, you create a 2D sketch and add geometry, forming a closed contour. Then extrude that sketch some distance, creating a 3D solid. Similarly, a revolve feature is a 2D sketch and revolving the geometry around an axis that you select. After the general shape is created with bosses, we can remove material using cuts. These are created the same way, starting with a 2D sketch and extruding or revolving. This extrude procedure can be repeated multiple times: sketch and extrude or revolve, boss or cut. Note that the geometry can overlap. But extrudes and cuts are not enough. There are many other types of features including sweeps, lofts, fillets, and shells. The features are key to the model, and they are recorded in the tree structure sitting on the left side of the screen, called the Feature Manager design tree. This tree is always visible, and we can use it to investigate, show, and edit the features that are listed there. The order of the features is also very important. The first feature you create is always a boss. In this example, the feature order is boss, cut, boss, and cut. This order defines the model shape, and a different order would result in a different shape, in this example an undercut of the cylinder. The plane we select to sketch the first, or base feature, has an impact on the part. Let's see an example using this L-shaped part. Planes are flat, 2D construction geometry in 3D space, and every new part has 3 standard planes: front, top, and right. If I select top, sketch this shape, and extrude it, we'll get this result. But if we use front, sketch the same geometry, and extrude it, it looks like this. The third option, right, provides this result. Different results for different planes. To create this part, we'll use several features including bosses, cuts, and a specialty feature called the shell.